Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. As many as you know, I love creating content about creative craft and personalized projects. But today I have something different for you. The company Dressin sent me a box filled with beautiful clothes and I want to show it to you. Dressin is an online store also available through their app that offers women clothing made from high quality fabrics at affordable prices. I think this one is elegant fashion that's accessible to everyone. So without further ado, let's go to my room to unpack these beautiful clothes and try them on. This beautiful blue blouse also came in the box. I just couldn't wait to try it on. I love this royal blue blouse. The long lantern sleeves give it such a unique, elegant touch. And the round necklace keeps it super flattering. The fit is perfect. Not too tight, not too loose. I am 5'5", weight 122 pounds, and I wear small. The color is stunning in person and is so versatile. You can dress it up with slacks or keep it casual with jeans. And this is a beautiful blue striped blouse with lapel collar. If you like any of these pieces, remember that you can order them online or through their app. I'm going to link both in the description down below. And look, this is beautiful and I really love the fabric. It's very soft. I'm going to unbox them before and then I'm going to try them on to show you. And this is a beautiful white sleeveless vest blazer for office or casual look. The fabric is very soft and it has a lining so it's not see-through. It's beautiful. I cannot wait to try it on. But I'm going to iron it before because it's a little bit wrinkly. And I'm going to unbox the next one. And this is a gorgeous long sleeve sweatshirt. I love the warm fabric on this one and the buttons on the collar. And let's move to the next one. And this is a gorgeous long sleeve woolen cardigan. I'm loving it already. I cannot wait to try it on. It's warm and I think it's special for cooler days. And it's stylish at the same time. And there's more. Let's see what else comes in the box. And these ones are pants. They are medium rise, elastic waist, knit palazzo pants. They are beautiful. The fabric is thick, elastic, and it's very soft at the same time. I like the waist. I get excited every time I get new clothes. Now I just have to find the opportunity to wear it. This is a beautiful dress. I really cannot wait to try it on. I need to iron it because it's a little bit wrinkly. And look at the waist detail. It's a gorgeous Bohemian dress. I need to find the opportunity to wear it as soon as possible. And one more. And this is a high-rise elastic waist palazzo pants. They are very elegant and they have 2 layers of fabric. And the last one is a Scottish plaid coat. It's gorgeous and it's warm. It has a lining too. This Scottish plaid coat is a timeless piece that effortlessly combines elegance with classic style. The rich multicolor plaid pattern adds a sophisticated touch. The regular sleeves provide comfort and a perfect fit, making it ideal for layering over any outfit. You can wear it for a formal occasion or you can pair it for a casual look. And now that I already finished with the unboxing, I'm going to go ahead and iron them to smooth them so I can try them on. And here are the pieces. I'm gonna try them on one by one. Like I said before, this one also came in the box and look how beautiful it is. I love the fabric. It's very soft and look at the sleeves. They stretch. You can wear it like this or you can tuck it inside. Look. And you can wear it with white pants or with black. These ones are jeans, but I'm going to try it with this one. I think it will look beautiful. Let's see. These medium rise elastic waist knit Palazzo pants are the ultimate combination of comfort and style. The elastic waistband provides a perfect adjustable fit, while the lightweight knit fabric drapes beautifully, creating a flattering flowy silhouette. The wide leg design adds a touch of sophistication, making them perfect for both casual days and dressed up occasions. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this outfit. Now let's try this sleeveless vest blazer. I absolutely love how it feels. The fabric is so soft and it has a lining, so it's not see-through at all, making it perfect for the office or a polished casual look. You can pair it with trousers for a more professional look or jeans for something more relaxed. Let's try on this other pair of pants. These flowy pants have 2 layers of fabric. These high-rise elastic waist Palazzo pants are a perfect blend of comfort and style. The high-rise designs offer a flattering fit. The flowy wide leg silhouette creates a graceful, relaxed look that's ideal for both casual and semi-formal occasions. Let's see how it looks with the Scottish Plaid lapel coat. Look, it's gorgeous. I really love this coat. Now let's try on the striped woolen cardigan. The stripes add such a fun casual vibe, making it super easy to pair with anything from jeans to leggings. The woolen fabric feels so cozy, but still breathable enough for all-day wear. It's definitely a must-have for those laid-back, comfy days when you still want to look put together. Now it's time for the long-sleeve sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is the perfect mix of comfort and style. Made from soft, cozy fabric, it's ideal for casual days at home, crafting, or running errands. Pair it with jeans, leggings, or joggers for a laid-back, trendy look that's both effortless and chic. Now I'm layering the Scottish Plaid blazer over the sweatshirt. And wow, it looks amazing together. The blazer adds a polished, classy touch to the casual vibe of the sweatshirt. I love how well they pair. It's such a versatile combo. Now I'm going to try on this beautiful striped blouse. This blouse is a perfect blend of classic and chic. The half sleeves and regular fit makes it comfortable for all-day wear. Pair it with trousers for a more professional look or jeans for a more relaxed yet put-together outfit. I am in love with this blouse. Now I'm going to move to the last piece. I'm going to try on this gorgeous Bohemian dress. This Bohemian sleeveless dress is the perfect blend of effortless elegance and free-spirited charm. I love the intricate embroidery on the waistline. This dress radiates a boho vibe that's ideal for summer days and warm evenings. The flowy A-line silhouettes offer both comfort and freedom of movement, making it a joy to wear. You can pair it with sandals and your favorite accessories. I absolutely love this dress. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun unboxing and trying on these beautiful pieces from Dressin. Each item has its own charm, and I love how versatile and comfortable they are. If you're interested in any of these outfits, be sure to check the link in the video description to explore more from Dressin. And please don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next video.